ये जो दुनिया है ना, दुनिया, ये एक नहीं 3 दुनिया है। सबसे ऊपर स्वर्गलोक, जिसमें देवता रहते हैं। बीच में धरती लोक, जिसमें आदमी रहते हैं। और सबसे नीचे पाताल लोक, जिसमें कीड़े रहते हैं। वैसे तो शास्त्रों में लिखा हुआ है, पर
Today we are going to do a scene breakdown of one of the amazing web series available on Amazon Prime Video. We will be exploring internal journey of the characters in this scene. In this scene, Hathiram Chaudhary, who is suspended from his duties, come back to home from a long investigation session. And he's told that someone beaten his son because of the gun he had confiscated.
हालत देखो अपनी बेटी की।
क्या हुआ?
मारा है किसी ने तुम्हारी उस पिस्तौल की वजह से।
सिद्धार्थ,
Hathiram doesn't have good relationship with his son. They don't even talk to each other. Earlier in the film, once Hathiram Chaudhary goes to pick up his son from school, and his son runs away from him because he is ashamed of him.
Your turn, Siddharth. You want to translate? Please translate for me. My father's name is. Quiet! Come on, give it a shot.
When Hathiram Chaudhary is informed about the beating of his son, he gets flared up and he asks his son, who did this?
देख बेटा, कुछ नहीं कहूंगा। नाम बता उसका। नाम बता बेटा, किसने किया? हाँ? बोल!
राजू भैया।
Raju Bhaiya had already overpowered the boy, and he was a role model for his son because he had everything: car, gun, drugs. Hathiram Chaudhary, who was tired, but when he sees scars on his son's face, he instantly takes role of a responsible father.
ये क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
चल खड़ा।
कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो इसको? बुखार है ऐसे।
His wife tries to stop him, and she does not want him to take his son, but Hathiram Chaudhary's stubborn nature does not let him give any heed to her cries.
पिस्तौल चाहिए तुझे? पिस्तौल चाहिए?
While Hathiram Chaudhary is beating Raju Bhaiya, it is evident from his body language that while he is angry on Raju for beating his child, he is also taking out his case anger, which had drained all his energies in the earlier scene. While he is beating Raju black and blue, we can see fascinating expression on his child's face. And with that expression, it's quite evident that his son is now changing his inspiration. Hathiram Chaudhary took the role of super dad.
अरे पहलवान है, सुनिए भाई एक बार।
कौन है तू? ए गदर फंड मचा रखा है कौन तू?
यार ये तेरी पिस्टल है, तेरा मेरा हिसाब बराबर। राजपाट से मेरे छोरे का नहीं देख भी लिया ना, तेरा गाइड मार देगा ना, बुद्धा मार दूंगा। तेरी बहन ने नील भाई चौदह तेरी ने। चलो
ओ ठुल्ले 2 मिनट में सस्पेंड करा दूंगा।
तेरा फूफा पहले आता है सस्पेंडेड आंडा।
When he takes everyone to Adil Bhai's house and beats everyone, the body language of his son shows that now he can see in the eyes of those gangsters. He gives his gun back in such a way that he changed the perspective of his son forever.
तेरा फूफा पहले आता है सस्पेंडेड आंडा, बॉडी क्या?
In the ending, Raju sees both sides. And he chooses Hathiram because he's powerful and he wants to sit on their rickshaw and wants to go back with them, but Hathiram doesn't let him go with them because he thinks he's a bad influence on his son.
बॉडी गैंड है हम, जो चूतियों को अपनी मनमानी करने देते हैं। इनकी माँ का भूसड़ा।
On the way back on rickshaw, we can see Hathiram's work anger coming out through his curses. And it's evident that the driving force for the whole scene was the anger of the case.
ये सब मिलके चूतिया बना रहे हैं पैंचोद। कभी आईएसआई हैं, कभी ये टेररिस्ट हैं। ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं या आप अपने बापों के बैंचों टट्टे चाट रही है? एक गलती की थी, केस ले लिया पैंचोदों ने।
He comes back to his house and he's still cursing. He's angry. But the slap of his wife brings him back to his normal character. He feels ashamed, and at the same time, he looks at her, and for one moment, we can see love for each other in their eyes. And their son is fascinated and also feels uncomfortable because he had just witnessed how big hero his father is. But he doesn't say anything to his family because he loves them. My favorite dialogue from this scene is,
रोटी खा के जाएगा, जाने।
in the next episode, we can see a total change of behavior in Hathi Ram's family.
वो मेरे कच्चे नहीं मिल रहे।
हर बार आपको सपोर्ट किया है कि नहीं?
He's looking for his undergarments, and his son, who never cared about his father, went to look for his undergarments.
वो रस्सी पे सूख रहे थे।
And gave it with a good smile on his face. The best thing about Patal Lok is that how dimensions of characters change.
लेके जाइए अपना ये कबाड़।
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click the bell icon.